Hey folks, back with another video. Just wanted to show you guys the GMRS radio setup that I have in my 2024 Jeep Wrangler. So if we look over here, you can see I've got a magnetic mount for my handset, but there's no radio. So I actually have the radio in the glove box. So if you open up the glove box here, you can see got some registration there, and I've got my GMRS radio in there. Got the handset here. And what I usually do, it's a Rugged Ridge radio. I'll just leave it up there, turn on the radio, and just close the glove box. And I'll just leave it like that. So it's a pretty clean setup overall. It's very easy to wire. If you have a Rubicon, like I do, you have all of the auxiliary switch wiring under the dash. And included with that is also a hot wire and an ignition wire. So I have mine on the hot wire so I can turn on the radio when the vehicle's off. So I think this is a really clean setup personally. I have the wiring going basically, if we can get some footage there so you can see, kind of comes under the dash here. I've got it tucked up as best as I can. And then I just have it going down under the along the console here. Goes under the seat to the back of the Jeep, where I'll show you my antenna setup. So one of the hallmark updates with the 2024 model year on the Jeep Wrangler was that there was no FM antenna up front. They integrated it into the windshield so you don't have the mast. And in the spirit of that, I wanted to keep this Jeep looking clean and not have an external antenna. So if we come here to the back of the Jeep, you can see I've actually got my antenna mounted inside the cab. So I have it bolted to one of the hardtop bolts back here, and it just goes up about halfway up the top. And I get pretty good range with this. I honestly can't complain. Now, I don't know what the exact range is, but given that the top is fiberglass, it is radio transparent, so there's really nothing wrong with keeping the antenna inside the cab. This is pretty much dead space too, so it's not going to get in the way of any cargo. I remember on our trip to Moab last year, I had the back full with gear and luggage, and this antenna here was not a problem. Anyways, I just wanted to share that. Hope it helped you, maybe inspired you to do something similar on your own vehicle. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me a message. My email's on my channel if you want to send me an email, or just drop a comment down below. I'd be happy to help you.